Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to fix Instagram Notes music option not showing. For example, if you open your Instagram and if you open your Messenger, and here you can easily find the option of your note, and here you can see that I got the music option here. And if you still didn't get that option, for example, if I click on here, as you can see there is the music available to add into that. For example, if I add any kind of notes, and I also can add music to my notes. If this kind of option is not showing to you, then how you can fix that? First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the Instagram. After closing the Instagram, what you have to do next is you have to simply press and hold the Instagram, and you have to simply click on app info. And after that, you have to first thing you have to do is you have to simply force stop the app, and after that you have to simply clear the storage and cache. And after clearing the storage and cache, you have to go back, and after going back you have to simply open the Play Store, and here you have to simply search for Instagram, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update. If it is not showing, then what you have to do is next you have to wait for the next update so that you can use that feature. If you still don't get, then what you have to do, you have to simply join the beta program of the Instagram, because if you join that beta program, then you can get any feature earlier than any of the Instagram user. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, kindly subscribe our channel.